You are all welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your smartphone as your microphone. Please follow along throughout the video from the start to the end so that you can see how you can set your phone to become microphone for you. This may be very helpful because 1. You don't need to be going around with microphone, and 2. In case your microphone gets faulty at the time that you cannot have a new one, you can activate your phone to act as mic so that you use your phone as microphone and continue from where you stop. So please stay till the end of this video so that you see different things you have to install into your phone and into your system so that you can now link the two devices, both your phone and your system, for your phone to act as a microphone. Then you use it to give the sound to the events that you are enjoying. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. And also, as you will learn these things, more video of this nature is coming your way. So please subscribe to this channel and also touch the notification bell so that new videos of this nature, you will see them. Thank you very much. Let's see first how we want to install the certain app that we will use as to run the mic into our phone first, before we will now move and see how we can install them into the system before we can now connect the two things and start using. Let's see. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as mic. Take note, before you use your phone as mic, you have to do 3 things. First, you install the app into your phone, and also you install the app into your PC also. I will guide you through these steps. First, look for Play Store. Then once you open your Play Store, you search for mic. Click on where you want to use and search. Then you type W, or then give space and type mic. That's okay. Then search for mic. Once mic is on your screen, then install it. Once you finish the installation, you now see as it's exactly on this my phone mic now. Then you now select open. Once you open it, that means you are done with the installation of the mic app into your phone. Now what you want to do next is for you to get to your PC. As you finish installing your app into your phone, the next thing to do is to get into your browser, then search for mic as displayed on the screen now. Search for mic and you'll see that mic, which is free microphone, link will open. Then click the link and it will open. This is the window now. This is what you will see. Then click the menu that says download, and we want to download 2 things into the system. First, we want to download mic lens for Windows because I'm using Windows. I'll now click and you will see it will automatically download into the system. Sit here. Then the next thing that I would download into the system is for me to download mic device driver for Windows. Then I will download this one also. After downloading the 2 things, the next thing you have to do is to install 2 of them. To install the mic lens and also install the driver. And once you are through with the installation, you now see that the home mic icon is here. So you double click it to open. Once it's open, you now see it here. This home mic lens. And looking at the bottom, you now see disconnected. That means there's no device that is connected to the mic at the moment. And see, the means it will connect here, Bluetooth. For you to connect the two devices, click connection. It will now prompt where you want to specify the means that you want to, or your transport type, the means you want to link the two devices. You can use Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, or even Wi-Fi direct. Then specify the device you want to use, like in this case, target Bluetooth device. This is the phone that I want to use. Then after specifying it, the next thing that I will specify is to do connect. If it now says fail to connect to server, note that you have not activated your phone, or that you did not open the mic in your phone. Let's connect it using our phone now. Look for the home mic on your phone. Open it. Once it's open, then see where you have play here on top. You touch that play. You now see, please connect by Bluetooth. Take note, if you don't want to connect by Bluetooth, you can go to setting. And if you have not connected it by Bluetooth, let me show you. If you have not connected, then you click the settings. You now see that it will show transports for you, whereby it is this transporter you will select either you want to use Bluetooth, USB, Wi-Fi, or Wi-Fi direct. Once you select Bluetooth, then that means you have set the means that you want to use and connect it. Then you click the play button that you have here, and you now say start it. Please connect by Bluetooth. Then go to your PC again and then select connect using Bluetooth, then with the device you are connecting it with. Once you on it in your phone, click the connect again and say connect. You now see it's connected. So even what I'm talking now, you will notice the difference, because the first one, I did not use this mic. So right now, I'm using the mic to talk. So you can see the difference now, that using the mic is very powerful. So with that, you can now set two devices and they can work together. So please subscribe to this channel for more videos of this nature is coming your way. Thank you very much, and bye for now.